Alright, boys and girls, this is Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And man, check out what we have got today. We have got a 1968 Plymouth Barracuda notchback. It's an old school hot rod kind of car. It's got some bigs and littles on it. Yeah, the car's in primer. It's straight up kind of an old hot rod. And man, it is oozing cool though. Golly, I've known about this car and liked it for a while, and finally got it hooked to the back of the truck on its way home with me. So I'm gonna get a shot right here. It's got an 8 3/4 under it. Been there a little bit. Mini tubs. It's just a cool car, no matter which way you look at it. I'm gonna open the door right quick. I'll show you one of the favorite parts of it. That's right. It's a 3-pedal car. Yeah, it's not too bad inside. It'll pass for a cruiser anyway. It has got disc brakes on the front, and I'm running a bumper on it. I'm gonna pause this, see if I can open the hood. Alright, we got the hood open on it. It's typical hot rod fare. It's got an MSD box on it, aluminum intake, got some Mopar performance valve covers on it, set of headers, fan on the front, Edelbrock Torker 340 manifold, Mopar performance valve covers, MSD box. I think it does have disc brakes on the front. You see right there where it's been cut out for fender well headers. I think that was when it had the big block in it. He's blocked off the heater. Yeah, everything's fairly sanitary under here though. He did change the K-frame when he put the small block back in it. And he said the front end's been rebuilt, bushings and tie rods and stuff like that's been done. I think it's just got an Edelbrock, a little Edelbrock carburetor on it. He said it has got a 355 gear, but it is open rear end, so it might have to be remedied. That was, I think that was the best of the worst. I'm gonna try this hood again. There it is. Get ready to load up and come home. '68 Barracuda, small block 4-speed. As fun as it comes.